Hello, this is my review for Tiny Love double-sided crib toy. Yeah, I'm trying to keep quiet right now. I just wanted you to know because my family happens to be asleep, but I had to show you. When I saw this in action, I had already taken pictures, but I had to do a video review. It's really so cute, and you have to see it. So I love that there's two pieces. You don't have to attach anything to this. It comes in one piece. And I'm going to be locking that together in a little bit. I just wanted to show you that, of course, 3 AA batteries go in here. This is the on and off switch right here. And there's 2 degrees of sound. I'm going to put it on the loudest when I turn it on so you can hear. And over here are the settings for the sound. This right here is the active musical note, and that's for random nature sounds and children laughing. You'll hear that. But then what's so neat is on this setting with the moon, it's for nighttime, and you will hear I've heard 3 songs so far with the lights going back and forth, and it's so soothing, and it's not grating. It's very calming, and this is the heart feature, and that's where you'll still see the lights going on at different times, but you'll also see you'll hear the in utero sounds, the heartbeat and the swishing. That's so soothing and so comforting to your baby, because it's, that's how they were, and that's how, when I carried my babies, that's what they heard. So it's wonderful that it's all here. And I just want to show you, I'm going to do it in my bathroom because the actual rod is about the size of a crib bar, and my kids are still asleep. So here I'm just going to show you how it is. You put this. I just want you to see. You push it, and it's a little right there. Whoa, that's a little loud, but you see, you lock that in there. And if you want to do the overhead, it's this easy. Pull this down, and this piece right here, you just bring it together. Here, I'll try to do that again so you can see it better on this one. See? Okay. Pull it down, and you see, you just put it right there. And it's not coming off, and you lock in place, and you see that's the overhead, so all the light, your child can see right there, whether it's the bassinet. I love the pack and play bassinets, that really is nice for that, as well as a crib. Whatever you choose, it's there, and it's easy, and you can easily take this off and flip it over. That's my favorite. One of the many favorites, but really I love this flashing in, and I'm going to show you right now. So can you come with me, please? And we'll be going to my bathroom. Let's try to get the cords in here. So, like I said, I'm going to slide it. This is the bar. Let's see if you can see it. And I'm going to slide it. You pull it up a little. Let's see if there's anything impeding it. Oh, you got to watch out for the straps in the way. So here, I'm going to show you that again. Make sure the straps stay out of the way. And see? That fast. Then you lock it in the back, so you don't have to worry about it coming out. And I'm going to show you how easy in the middle of the night you could do this. Flip this over. Right there. It's in that mode that I told you about. But here I'm going to put it right back down so you can clearly see. And here you just lift it. And you see, you can flip it, flip it, flip it. So, and here I won't even touch the back. So it's secure, it's not going anywhere. And I'm going to turn it. And that's the heartbeat right now. And you see the light, the moon shining slowly, and the star comes on. Okay. And now here is the music. Here, I'll close the door so you can really see better. So that is so cute. It would make a wonderful shower gift, just wonderful to have in the home. And here I'm going to turn on the light so you can really get a look at it. And here's the active. The daytime, flip it over. You hear the children laughing. As you touch it, different random sounds. And one thing I noticed, this is a little harder than I expected to turn for a little child. For a baby, for a little child, toddler, but it's something to work on. They'll get it. It's something to work on, so it's not as easy as these other things, but that's good. It's something to concentrate on, so there's a lot more play value to this. And this is a crinkle. Right here, crinkle. Thank you so much for watching my video review. Have a great day. Bye.